So I recently did an internship with Unified Mentor, and my experience was amazing. And as I was able to complete all my work on time because of the help that I got from Unified Mentor's side. Every day they were providing me with some sort of learning modules which covered topics like Python and its libraries, and all of that combined helped me make a well designed dashboard. And the internship was for 1 month, so in that 1 month I made two projects, which were to make any sort of dashboard on any kind of data set. And the data sets that I chose were an Instagram data dashboard, and the other data set I chose was on an iris data set. So I made a dashboard on both of those data sets, and in short, my experience was amazing. And I thank Unified Mentor for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.